Good morning, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. AA, good morning. How you doing? All right. Sorry, I almost overslept again. I don't know how I did that. This is summertime anyway. Let's see what's happening. So yesterday was quite a roller coaster. I guess everybody was waiting for Powell or something to happen. J-Ho, good morning. Good to see you, J-Ho. How you doing? Hope you have some good trades going on. All right. Marcos is here too. Welcome, guys. Morning. Okay. All right. So let's go over the charts. Simeon, good morning. Marcus is looking for long. Spy girl, hey, welcome. Okay, sorry, I was just checking some stuff on my screen. Everything is working fine. All right. What else? Okay. This is the 15-minute chart. It seems like we have almost like relative equal lows here on Nasdaq. Let me put this on here properly. The low of this candle is 506.25. The low of this candle is 506.25. What do you know? 506.25. Okay. 506.25. 506.25. Let me update this. Previous day low slash relative equal lows. Okay, so that's an important level. $617, if holds, is a gap entry too. 617. Let's check it out. By the way, we just had an entry on the 5-minute. Look at that. We just had an entry to go short on the 5-minute. That's very strong to target the Asia lows. Look at that. That's interesting. Marcus is in. 633 for long. Trader G, good morning. Sorry I didn't see you there. Trader G. Let's see. This one looks like a possible short to me on the 5-minute at least. I mean, I'm not saying it will go there, but you have a little more down. Could be. I wasn't really checking on this gap, but it seems like there's not. I mean, it's 13 points. Seems like it wants to go, right? Oh, come on. Yeah, it looks like it wants to take out that level for now, at least. It looks like it. At least in your close. Yeah. I mean, interesting levels, that's for sure. Only 9 points, 10 points away from these Asia lows. Should be going through. Could be good for a quick scalp for some of you guys. Let me check if I have my copy trader going on. Okay, it's going. I'm gonna stop this for now. And let's see what else is going on here. I wait a bit, seeing more down. Yeah, I'm seeing more down as well here. I'm gonna. For me, it's definitely bearish right now, but yeah, it is bearish to me. Yeah, it looks like limit could be at least all the way down to 618. I mean, the target. Also 620 is a nice round number. I entered the short to scalp. This is more than likely a scalp position on my end at 32.75. So 617, yeah. I put my TP at 620. My TP is at 620. I'm scalping this one. I don't usually jump in like this. At least I don't like to jump in like this. Sorry guys, let me put this out of here. So this is my trade. One mini. This is 1 mini, not micro. This is 1 mini on an evaluation account. So I might going to dedicate an account for mostly scalping for the stream, hashtag for the stream. You're going to be looking 887. That's a nice target up there. Yeah, we have some news. Oh no, we don't. In the London session, it's pretty quiet right now. I mean, Italian trade balance, nobody cares about that. Economic sentiment, nobody cares, and nobody. Okay, so nobody cares about these news. We'll see. But yeah, it can turn around super easy. If it breaks above this high, I'm definitely not interested to hold this trade longer. But my TP is right there. Let's go over some charts. 620, it may be it. Maybe it. Oh yeah. This is just a classic, you know, I'm trying to play the Asia high and low game, but yeah, you're right. It could be it. It could be it. Anyway, let's look at gold real quick. Real quick. Gold. This was midnight. See guys, I'm just updating my charts here because I woke up not too recently. Previous day high, previous day low, and let's put in the midnight level, shall we? Midnight started here, Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so on gold, gold is just super bullish, no stopping at gold, I think. Asia lows, no. Yeah, Asia low is right there on gold. Sell side liquidity. All right. Otherwise, it's pretty quiet. Bullish order block. Okay, so nothing. I'm waiting on gold. This one is, I'm trying to anticipate a quick scalp to Asia lows. That's it. That's all there is to it. What I'm trying to do here. Just a quick scalp, nothing more. Nothing more. Push the like button, subscribe everyone. Let's push the stream early in these hours. All right. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Sorry guys, I'm still trying to wake up. There was so hot yesterday. I really couldn't sleep during the night, so I had to put the AC a little bit on. I mean, it's usually on sometimes when it's so hot like this, but I just had to open the bedroom door a little bit wider and let a little bit more AC run into the room because it was so hot. So I didn't really sleep too much. Marco, good morning. Good to see you, Marco. What's going on? What's going on? So I'm trying to scalp this. I might, or maybe I should put a accounts tab up here, right? What did I just do? I have no idea. I messed up my chart. I messed up my chart. Oh, everything's fine. All right. Oh, this was a blown account here. So where is my... This is a group. I don't know what happened to... Oh, now I know what happened. This is what happened. I messed up my chart. Let me put it back as I should. Okay, a little bit like this. Put it to the right. A little bit more to the right. All right. Back on track. I'm short. You long or short spot? This is NQ short. Okay, my 3-year plan targeting 621. Yeah, my TP is at 620. It's more than likely a scalp position. At least that's what I'm trying to do here with this one. And yeah. Let's see. Yeah, this is the account currently. Only evaluation account. Okay. It's better. You're short from 642. Wow. All right. You're sitting in it. So yeah, that's nice. His TP is, I think he said 21. Not sure. Not sure. Asia lows. Okay. Let's go. So this is not a classic entry. This is just a scalp on my end. Nothing special. I might even put it to break even at 32.50. $32.50. Not sure. It said break even now. I don't know if I should have put it to break even, but it's at break even. Maybe I give a little bit more room to it if it spikes higher. I don't know. CB just went long. Let's go. Small. All right. You're short from 645, TP at 620. Yeah. I'm looking at that 622. Although my stop loss could be a little bit tight right here. Let me go to the 1-minute chart here. Yeah, so my stop loss could be a little bit tight. It could be just spiking up there, taking me out and going down. But if it takes me out, it takes me out. This is a scalp trade for me. So there you go. Not really all that concerned about it. Actually, I want to watch gold real quick as well. just entered into a bullish order block, gold, right here at the midnight area. I like this here, the swing low on gold. I might get taken out from the NQ trade. So I like this swing low. We'll see. Yeah, I might gonna get taken out from this trade. Marcus is long since 633. That's unfortunate for me. Usually Marcus is having better trades than I am. But you know what they say, trade what you see, not what you think. I saw that Asia lows could be a good target. I jumped in, and that's how all this happened. If it trades above 33, then we have a good chance to revisit 41 and higher. So I don't mind getting out with break even from this position. I would like long here when Asia lows are taken. Yeah, me too. Me too. If price would take out Asia lows, then I would be looking for some very nice positions to go long on this. That would be good. That would be something I like. I have an Apex account which only needs $610 to get funded. So or maybe I'm gonna trade on that one in the New York session with more volume. And I need $370 to apply for payout on Buleanox on 2 accounts. So I'm getting closer, and I passed a Buleanox account yesterday, an evaluation account. I mean, it was not a YOLO account. I'm trading it since a while. So yesterday I passed it. That's good. It's always good to stack up more accounts. But unfortunately, I have blown a MyFundedFutures evaluation account again yesterday. So it wasn't all that good for me. But you know, Jeho wants 610 area. That's a good area. Yeah. 6 and 10. I mean, yeah. Asia lows are close, but this one could be tricky. Could go up there. And maybe reprice some levels. Unfortunately, I think I'm gonna get out from this trade. But my entry was late. My stop was tight on this one. I might re-enter if I see good movement to the downside to scalp it. But for now, I'm not going to move it. So high probability that I'm gonna get taken out from this position. Unfortunately. Could have been a nice scalp here for at least 12 points, yeah. Would have been good. Woulda, shoulda, coulda. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. All right, I think it's done. There you go. I'm out. I made $1, so that's good. I made $1. All right. I still think it should go down. Let's see how far that is going to be retracing higher. Gold is still up there. Swept the Asia highs. As I said, I like this swing low here. This one on the 5 minute, I do like that level. But since I don't really like to scalp gold, I might going to skip it. Johnny Long Tom, let's run 870. I'm very tempted when you say it like that. I'm very tempted to do so. Actually, I think that the Asia lows should be taken out before I take a long. I don't feel comfortable taking a long without taking out Asia lows. But if any one of you guys are long, it's definitely good, especially if you're trading like you can add more positions. That's fine. I just didn't feel like it, but it would be more comfortable for me to see price taking out that level. Watching gold as well. I like this level down. I like these candles here. Let's see. Let's see, what can we do? Oh, checking email. Just give me a moment. Oh, and there you go. It's going down. Oh, I see, Marcus. Yeah. Nice long position there. 5 micros. That's cool. Very good. I like it. This is the chart of Marcus. Look at this. Very nice. Tight stop. Very good. 5 micros. I like it. 1 hour chart. Do you usually trade the 1 hour? I mean, I like the way it looks like. I really do. You will hold out for that price. All right. By the way, a guy told me who is day trading, and he's actually doing good for himself. He's not using, he's not on social media. He's only trading for himself, and he's trading on the 1 hour chart. and he's day trading the 1 hour chart. So it's quite interesting. He doesn't really go down to the 5 minute and 1 minute. He's only day trading the 1 hour chart. And he also looks, of course, 15 minute, 4 hour, what's happening, but his main direction is outlined on the 1 hour chart, and he's doing very good with that. So quite interesting. Let's go. Let's go. All right. But it seems like to me that this one wants to revisit those lows. Let's see. Oh, new subscriber Alexander, welcome to the channel. Welcome. Good to see you. You stop, you will buy again. At least you have a plan that you stick to, and that's good. Jeho, gonna try small position here long. Gonna keep a tight stop. If I'm wrong, I'll try again under Asia lows, but I see SMT here. ES is taking out the Asia low, and NQ is not. Oh, SMT with ES. Let's check it. 5 minute. Oh yeah. I see what you mean. ES taking it out. NQ is not. Absolutely. That's a good point. That's a good. This one can be tricky now that we have an SMT. Bradbury FX waiting for long on crude oil. Oh, nice. Yeah, this one should be at least retracing higher, but who knows where's the... Yeah, I like this. Looks good. Looks definitely good. Oh, Dominic, sorry. I'm doing great. Dominic, I saw your chart. It was absolute. I can, I can vouch for, that was not random. The way you outlined those levels, Dominic, it's amazing. You know, just to study that price action, it's amazing how it did yesterday. And that's why we like trading, because it's like art. All right, let's see what's going on here. I think it could go down just a second. Just a second. I'm back. I'm back. I just had to check something. All right. Everyone is painting their own picture. I like that, Jeho. Everybody is painting their own picture. That is awesome. That is something I really like. I like that. That's true. So I'm looking at this level on gold. What other accounts do we have? Oh, this is the account that almost going to pass, hopefully. Trying to scalp on gold too. I have a position on gold, but not really important with a tight stop. But I'll let you guys know when I'm jumping into NQ. I still want to see the Asia lows taken out. Okay, we're hovering at 32. If I look at the 1 minute, it's building up some sort of support, but it's almost like a bearish flag formation all over the place. But the SMT divergence could push it higher. Could be pushing it higher. Not sure though. Dynasty, hey, good to see you. What's up? What's up? Welcome to the channel this morning and every morning, of course. How you doing? Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum. So yesterday I've blown up my MyFundedFutures evaluation account, so I just bought a new one. It is what it is. I want to be so good with MyFundedFutures, and that's the one I keep failing. I don't know. 643, yeah. Just scalping around, yeah, me too. I'm trying to look for some good scalps. I had one position on NQ if someone just dropping in, but I got taken out with break even. I was looking for Asia lows in this level, but it seems like it's not happening. So it is what it is. It seems like that SMT divergence is kicking in. And we have London open shortly, in about 20 minutes. Should be going somewhere, this one. Target is 400, nice. All right, let's go. Let's see how it goes. I re-entered the short on NQ. Let me show you here. Targeting 620.25 just in case, you know, it would wick me out. I mean, it wouldn't wick me out. So the problem is that my gold trade actually took the stop, so I'm just fighting for break even. But anyway, I re-entered on this one. 1 mini, as it should. I'm lowering my stop. Yeah, so the target would be Asia lows on my end. That's what I'm looking at. But look at this. It keeps getting rejection at these levels. It has trouble taking out the Asia low. It's definitely having trouble. If I zoom it out, it's more dramatic. If I zoom this out. All right, I put it to break even again. Maybe I should let it some more room, right? All right, I put it back here. I put it back above here. Because if it trades above that level, then obviously we'll keep continuing higher. So let it breathe. I am Vida. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Look at this. This is interesting. Asia lows keep rejected. Interesting. Interesting. Hopefully they go soon. Yeah. So 1 mini, which is unusual for me, but this is scalping. Tight stop, trying to keep a tight stop, and that's it. It's the first time I'm taking a month break from trading since started blowing accounts. Oh, well, you know, regenerate yourself, you know, maybe, you know, do some studying, learning, you know, go over some strategies, maybe go over some of your mistakes, the good trades too, not just the bad ones, and you know, learn from those mistakes and the winners too. So Asia has been taken. Happy days, yeah. Yeah, this was so now I would be more comfortable taking some long positions. Gold spiked higher. Gold was super bullish yesterday, of course. Anytime Powell starts to speak, gold always goes bullish. Whatever he says. I mean, most of the time. But he didn't really say anything. He wasn't really answering any questions, and he said it too. He's not going to comment on the market. And he didn't, actually. So that was a little bit bearish. I think people were expecting some bullish news from him, but he said he's not going to comment on the market, so he didn't. And gold was going higher, and NQ was more than, I mean, it was a little bit more bearish, but nothing really happened. Your forward testing, my trading, nice. Don't say that you, I mean, you can't trade. I mean, if you feel you, come on, if you feel you can't trade your plan, you can definitely forward test it. But so maybe if I were you, don't demo trade. Spend a little bit of money at least on a new evaluation account, a cheap one, a cheap evaluation account to feel the pressure, and try to execute your edge. And first goal should be to keep your account for at least a month, or maybe, I mean, 3 to 4 weeks. Try to keep it. Try to keep that, because that's what I did, and it helped me. Then I also restarted trading a few times, and I said, all right, F the funded account, F it, F everything. My first goal is going to be to keep the account for 30 days, the evaluation account. And that's how I started out, keep the account. You know, let's all face it. How long do we keep our funded accounts? I don't know if it was MyFundedFutures or if it was TopStep. I'm not sure. Somebody said, I mean, maybe it was TopStep TV. I'm not sure. They said that on average, a funded account is usually live, or it has been kept around 1 to 2 months. That's how long a funded account is usually not blown up, which gives you a lot of ideas what is happening really. So even if you're a good trader with prop firms, statistics are saying that a funded account is usually blown up within average 2 months. So an average of 2 months, which could be 3 months or 1 month, your funded account is going to get blown up if we are relying on statistics. Now, that's an interesting number, I think, because everybody thinks, I also think that too, that if I have a funded account, I can keep it forever, and I will going to milk that funded account every single month. And the reality check comes in, and the numbers are saying that no, funded accounts are getting blown up every 2 months. So what if that would be your own money? So you have $2,000 on a personal account, and you make some profits from that $2,000, and you keep blowing up the account. You know, that would be a little bit of a negative result, investment-wise, I think. So interesting. I also wonder how long does the big traders on YouTube, I'm not going to say names, how long are they keeping their funded accounts before it gets blown up? Because there's no problem blowing up a prop firm funded account, of course. I mean, it's not the end of the world, but I would be curious, how long do they keep it on average? Tamimi, good morning. Good to see you, Tamimi. I think it was, I know I'm not going to say names, but even, anyway, it's something you have to consider. Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum. Quiet morning so far. Very quiet morning. Nothing special. I don't learn. I will punish myself for 3 weeks. Don't punish yourself. That's not good, Komodo. Come on. Punishing yourself is putting you into a bad mood, trading wise. Don't punish yourself. Actually, do you journal? I think you said you journal. I'm not sure because we're talking to many people. Journal, you know. Oh man, I don't know what the hell is going on with me. I have to go to the bathroom. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Sorry, guys. I'm here, guys. I'm sorry. My stomach is not good this morning. I don't know why. Anyway, nothing really happened. The only thing is happening right now is that we're going lower and gold making new highs. But look at this. Next fair value gap as a target is at 585. So I am going to put a marker here to 585. And could that be the draw on liquidity? Who knows? Who knows? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. And if I look at the 15-minute, just looking for liquidity to drive it up. Yeah, so many longs, it now worth no real stops taking. Yeah, I think it wants to go down to that 85 level. I think. I mean, it should be going down. 84.75. Is it the same level at the mini as well? The low here on the mini is 84.75. 84.75. Not sure. And here the low is also 84.75. $84.75. All right. Yeah, so center right inside 5-minute fair value gap. Let's see if it wants to take it or not. Getting closer. Yeah, I mean this 5-minute gap here from 571 to 584.75. I mean, there is definitely some more liquidity down there. I mean, it went down a lot. I mean, you know, comparing that, it's just a London session. So I can see it go down and take some more because obviously that's a good liquidity area. I don't like that it's left equal lows by 500. Oh, yeah, well, yeah, that could be also a good target. Yeah, look at that. 506. We outlined that area. I'm pretty sure that it should go inside this fair value gap down there. Maybe even lower. But we'll see. Anyway. If you buy more. All right. So anyway, we tagged into this. We got tagged into this area here. Let's see what's gonna happen. I might want to listen to some music. You guys, oh yeah, you guys can't listen to music, of course. Copyright protection, you know. All these copyright issues. Anyway, I'm going to hold off on longs until, yeah. This is, I mean, it's not just previous day low, it's relative equal lows. So check out the 506 level, guys, the 506 level. And, you know, look at these levels down there, here and here. So pretty much like magnetic levels. I'm also looking at gold. We are inside of a bearish order block on gold on the 15-minute, but you know, I'm gonna put a line here. It seems like this one can be heading lower, trading through this 5-minute fair value gap. So yeah, for me, this area is incredible. Looks beautiful, Dominic says. Yeah, it looks beautiful. Absolutely. Absolutely. Nasdaq penny does not exist for me. They are opportunities. There you go. Ayurveda is long on euro. Do I have euro up here? I have euro dollar. Oh, there you go. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, that's a decent long opportunity on euro. I don't trade it, but you know, there's the swing high on the 1 hour. I like that area as a target. Oh, it's building up some support. Sorry, quick phone call. So it could be going through. I'm out with the previous operation and now I'm with new operations. All right, taking long 5 micro. Let's go, Marcos. Let's go. You have a good opportunity here. If this was the liquidity sweep, you know, it could definitely deliver to the upside. I'm gonna wait for some structure shift first. Oh, nice, nice, Awaida. That's good. Waiting for 570s for longs. 570, yeah. So you're waiting for the complete reprice of this area and then looking for some longs. Same? All right. I'm gonna wait, that's for sure. But you know, I can't deny that I'm looking at this level down here. Perfectly equal lows. And one of them is previous day low. I do like this. Although this might be the trap. Like everybody wants it to go down there, and first they could push it all the way up there. Nice. Exactly. I'm sync with you on this one. Let's see. I'm not saying it's definitely going to go down there. If this 5-minute gap is not the one that's going to take price higher, then I like to see a structure forming or resistance for support and resistance purposes. A resistance area or structure forming and then breaking lower. And, you know, even if I would jump in, I would take profit somewhere at 530s, somewhere in the 530s as the consequent encroachment area of this. But, you know, we'll see. We'll see. For now, I have no structure, nothing that I'm interested in. So I want to wait for price to break or form a support to go higher. And that's why I'm saying daily bias. I mean, you can have a daily bias, but daily bias is changing every time. But again, this is not a guarantee that it's going to go down. It could be just a trap. It can also just reject it. You know, it goes down into this area where the wicks are. It goes down, it gets rejected, makes another wick, and then goes up. I can easily imagine that. Now on ES, yeah, so on ES, almost the same scenario, but there's no equal lows there. I feel like it wants to take it out. I feel like it. 500 incoming. Too obvious. It is obvious, right? Now the 1 minute built up some sort of a resistance here. Not too strong. There was a structure shift as a continuation, not even a shift. But there's a small liquidity void here. Let me check it on the mini. Nothing on the mini, but on the micro, there's a small liquidity void up there. In this area, I'm gonna zoom it out on the 1 minute, so it's not that significant, but you know, just for reference purposes, let's put it there. Liquidity void, market structure, continuation, bearish. Is it a possible entry to go short, or, you know, because now it seems like to me that, I don't know. Seems too obvious that it might go down. Maybe it seems too obvious and that's why it's going to be a trap. Who knows? I mean, I'm looking at the 81 level. I might jump in for a scalp, but I don't know. I don't know. It's definitely close. Power 3 could be. But this could be then the manipulation phase, and then they're going to distribute higher. For me, then it seems like this is accumulation, manipulation, and distribution higher. We have some good targets up there, but could be wrong, of course. Yeah. It is just a tool to better decide. Yeah. Yeah, I'd like to see this gone too, especially after this move. I mean, we don't usually see this in London. So this was significant. And so this was the open. We dropped down. This is not a usual move in London session. It gives me the feeling that they might want to drop it lower. If not, look at these levels up there, up here. I jumped into a scalp on NQ. I'm gonna put it to break even. I think. Let me show you. Where is it? There it is. I might going to put it to break even as soon as I can. Or I'm just going to close it with a small loss. I'll see. If it's just keep edging higher, I'm just gonna close it with a small loss. Keeping it tight. Very, very, very tight. Yeah, I think it wants to go higher. So this could be a manipulation phase. And if it is, all right, let me wait for it a little bit more. Just 8 points. I might gonna give back my profits. I don't care. I'm looking for another target after this one. Just wait for another 10 minutes. Yeah, could be. So we were outlining this 81 level because of the liquidity void. Now, if price really wanted only to reprice the liquidity void, then it should be declining from here. But if not, then this could be a manipulation. And in that case, I might be looking to target the 620s. Yeah, it looks like it. So looking to close this manually. Looking to close it manually. I thought that repricing the liquidity void is going to send it lower, but this could be a turnaround here. Let's wait a little bit more. Just a little bit more, not too much. My finger is on the flat button. If I don't like what I see as candles are printing, yeah, I'm closing it. All right. I don't like it. I don't like that. Closed it. Now it feels like it's gonna go higher, and the level that I'm starting to like is up here. Somewhere here. Just for scalps. It has repriced the void. How far is... It's gonna go higher than... it should be breaking the 590. If it's not going down. Yeah, I'm jumping in. Jumping in. If it breaks 590, I'm gonna put it to break even. There. I'm gonna move my stop as soon as it gets over 590. Let's see. 82.50 would be the stop if we get there. Moving the stop. All right, moving it to break even. All right, so this is a break even trade now. Let's see if it wants to go higher or take me out completely. Let's see. Well seen, Tom. Thank you. At least we're on the same side, Marcos. I mean, that is insurance for me. So hopefully, worst case scenario, I get out break even with this trade. Double down. Uh-oh. Could be taking me out here. I guess lots of break-even trades when I trade like this. Hansen, hey. Potential go down, I don't know. You TP'd already? Alright. Hansen, sorry, not Hansen. 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 I butchered your name. I butchered everybody's name. I'm sorry. Thank you. 585.90. Yeah. So the thing I was looking here is this candle formation up there, specifically this one. It's like a bearish order block, but it also has no wick to the upside, and it has another bearish order block before that. And if this one is a manipulation phase in London, then it should be taking that level out. The only thing is that my stop loss is very tight, so just one wick and I'm out. So that's the only thing. But if it starts to go higher, I'm going to trail it, lock in some profit if I can, you know, but we'll see. Unfortunately, I mean, we have no idea. It can also go down, sweep some more liquidity, take me out, you know. We don't know. We have some liquidity voids up there. Who knows? You guys are making some bets, right? All right, so I might going to lock in some profit here. All right. Locking in some profit. This is one mini, so it's not micro. But if it takes me out, it takes me out. We'll see. I think we should be going up there, but let's modify this to here. If it wants to hit that. I think it will take me out with a pullback. 5 seconds still from this candle. But I locked in 5 points. So 5 points is 5 points. Take it anytime during London session. Yeah, it should be. It's going to go down. Take me out. There you go. Anyway, locked in 5 points. Had worse days. I had worse days in my life. So, I mean, in trading. Maybe my stop was a little bit too tight. Not sure. Before CPI. We have CPI today. Canadian CPI. Okay. We have core retail sales in the US and retail sales. Okay. Canadian CPI. Are we gonna... We don't have CPI, US CPI, only Canadian. Right, right. Oh, FX and Trophy, I forgot to say hello. I'm sorry. Good to see you. I need your magic globe if possible, Marco. Yeah, we all need that magic globe. Look at that. Now it seems like it's going up. Yeah, I put my stop too early here, but gold wants to break previous day high, so I can't enter on that one. Yeah. All right. You're good and short? Okay. Well, yeah, we have some good targets to the downside, that's for sure. Some very, very, very juicy targets. Teddy. Let's see. By the way, push the like button, guys, and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna do giveaways this week, hopefully. So subscribe and like, and you know, if you would like to support the channel, I would greatly appreciate it if you use my codes. Tomsabo is working everywhere. Gives you the best discounts available. Take Profit Trader, no activation fee, and MyFundedFutures, no activation fee. So check it out. Bulenox still has the 83% down, and you know, Apex is still doing the 80% down, and $40 for the big accounts with Apex, $85 activation fee. That's the cheapest one right now with the big accounts. And TopStep, additional 20% if you use my link. Even if you have an account and if you purchase a TopStep account or a reset, if you would like to give some credit to the stream, just click on my link, and that gives me some credit before you purchase. I mean, after you purchase. Thank you. That was the commercial. Pay the trader. Hello there. Oh, sorry, this is gold. I was watching gold so much, but I have no entry. And you know, I still feel like that this level is, I mean, could be taken. I do feel a little bit of FOMO, but let's see what's happening. All right, seems like we're going a little bit lower. Well, we're not going, but it's doing something. Let's wait for it. I'm gonna wait for the next possible entry. Slowly moving with this account, but now it formed a structure on the 1 minute, and there's nothing on the 5 minutes so far. This was the entry that I missed to take out Asia low, and gold is just moving higher. I have nothing yet on gold. Should be taking out that high, so pretty much bullish, but I have nothing with gold. And wow, look at this. Are we going back up there? Could be. So I would be targeting this area as a potential target if it wants to go higher. I might even jump in again. You know, why not? 503 always set below last price. Oh, there's your stop loss. All right, look at that small structure shift here. Should I jump in? I'm gonna wait for this candle close and to see if it wants to reprice that area. 93, 83. I don't want to use a wide stop. I might use a different account for this. All right, I'm jumping into a long. I told you guys I dedicated this account for scalping for the stream, hashtag for the stream. I'm going to show you my position in just a second. Terrible entry, but not that bad actually. Here, looking for those levels up there and hopefully trail it up there. I'm looking for that 607 level, by the way. And I'm looking to put this to break even as soon as possible. But it has to go into 602 for me to do that. That'd be a 609, yeah, 609-ish. The high of this candle is 608.75, so yeah, that's where my TP is. Let's see what it does. Obviously, the better solution would have been to just hold on to the previous trade. I know that. So this makes it a lot different. The prices of the land were, oh yeah, you were talking about something else. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to manually close it if it starts to go crazy against me. So So let's see. Mosquitoes. That's not good. X-rates. Hey, we are bullish Asian high to be retaken. Yeah, I'm looking for that too. I'm looking for some bullish movement here. So we'll see. We'll see if it really wants to reclaim it. Maybe before that it will go down, you know, sweep some more liquidity. But hard to say at this point. There you go. Exactly what I was afraid of. Is it going to be a liquidity sweep? It could have been. I don't know. Or if it's not, then it's gonna go and break lower. Maybe go for that 506 level. Yep. Dangerous. This is getting dangerous. I'm gonna leave my stop there, and if it takes it out, it takes it out. I don't care. Then obviously, if it trades below this level, could be looking for a continuation lower. You know, we have some very good targets on the downside, and on this drop, I still think, I mean, even if I look at the 5-minute, it feels like this level up there could be a good target, especially if this was a manipulation phase. So actually 620 would be a good target. So I might even could be holding it until then. Bounced off 65 EMA, yeah. Bounced off. $600 has buy orders from 344 contracts. Whoa. Let me check it. Oh yeah. Yeah. There are orders at 600. A lot. Hey Bessie, can you please explain the trading time of Volonox for Europe time? Sure. I mean, so you have to close your positions, I think, in European time at 10 p.m. But my time zone is Brussels and Budapest. So what is my time zone? Central European Summer Time. That's my, which is GMT +2. And for me, I have to close everything at 10 p.m., which means 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that's it, basically. You have a few minutes, on maybe 1 or 2 minutes after 4 p.m. On the evaluation account, it's not even a big thing because they close it for you. But I think if you leave the trade on a funded account, it could be a breach. So make sure to close everything at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and 10 p.m. GMT +2 Central European Summertime, Central European Time, which is CET. If that's what you're, and you can open positions at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is midnight, I think. No, not midnight. 6 p.m. That's midnight in our time zone. So that's the window when you can trade. I don't like this movement here. Maybe I should just close this position. I think it's going to wick down here to 590. If it does, I might going to kill the trade. Not sure. Not sure. I should leave runners, but I can't with one mini. So I should have, shoulda, coulda, woulda started with micro. But this is a scalp trade, so this is not my usual entry. Just trying to. I dedicated an account to scalp with one mini. But too many trades. I'm not really interested in taking so many trades. That's not my goal, but you're welcome. Oh, nice. So be careful. Close down everything on the funded account before 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, I'm closing this. I'm basically back to break even on this account today. So this is the account right now. I'm down $4. I had winner, then this one. Not really the price movement. That's the problem with scalping. So the risk to rewards are not always good. Actually, they're never good. There are only red candles. You're in a very good position. Well, you know, this was shifting structure, and although this is a bullish order block, now it looks bullish, man. Looks bullish. Bears were farming. Oh yeah, they were. They are. So we still have that level down there, the 506. It could be a continuation, nobody knows, right? Bears are hungry. No, I'm out. I'm not short. Back to square one, you know. But since I don't have an entry, and look at gold, still going to 24.45. Cold mentality, yeah. Have to be cold. You have to be like water. Just flow. Flow. French bears are scary. Why are they scary? Why are they scary? Let me know. By the way, no entry on the 5-minute as well. So overall, I still have a kind of a bullish feeling about this. That is luring everybody, it's luring the bears in the bear trap. That it wants to squeeze them at 620. Up there to 620. So, what if this is a bear trap? You know? What if this is a bear trap here? Just saying. Let me know. Asian high should be yeah X trades. It could be the target. Oh man. Uh-oh. We have it all you can eat. Good. Yeah. Just wait for the opening. Oh yeah. It's gonna happen in a few minutes, like less than 4 minutes pre-market open. That's true, Joey. Let's see what happens. In a few minutes, we'll see what's gonna happen here. Your belly will sing like soprano after. All right. Let's see, how much time do we have until we have almost 3 minutes. Okay, let's see. Yeah, for now it looks like it's going lower. So no bear trap for now. The bears are doing good. There's a unbalanced price range at 82. Should go down there with a down close candle. Look at that. It's going. So if this one is going to continue, then obviously, I mean, this looks bearish. I mean, undeniably bearish. Structure shift once, twice, heading lower. I think so. It seems like it. And what is down there? Maybe making new lows. If it's going down, then maybe 550 is the draw on liquidity. Who knows? There's a swing low at 551-ish. All right. 2 seconds ago you just said it's yeah, no, I'm saying I always say the bias is changing. So right now, after these market structure shifts on the 1 minute, you know, we're looking at the lower time frames now. It seems like that it's turning to bearish. And there's 1, 2. So this is the second confirmation of the shift. So let's see. We have the new hourly candle. Let's see what it wants to do here. So far, it's still looking bearish. Look at that. Is it going to hold? I don't know. Short from 588. Okay. Nice. Well, if it goes down, then, you know, the 50s should be a good target. That's when the draw on liquidity comes into play. Like, where is the draw on liquidity? Repricing this gap here. But the 5 minute, well, still interesting. Pulse, here we come. All right. Let's go. You're in a macro. A drop is expected. Let me check the book map. Not that I really look at it, but yeah, those orders are still sitting at 600. But, you know, this could have been a liquidity sweep here. I don't know. That's why book map is a little bit distracting your original idea, because there's a lot of orders at 600, but so far price is not gravitating towards it. So I don't know what's going to happen with those orders. It could be just, you know, a disappearing order. Like when price would go closer, it would just disappear. Sold more? Go, go, go. It could go down lower, way lower. Down to, well, breaking the 63s. But then the next area should be way down at the 50s. It's going. It's going so far. Oh, did I tell you guys that I'm in a trade? No? Oh my god. So I guess I'm like Patrick Whelan now. So here's my trade. We're going down. And I closed it. Thank you. At least I got back to where I was profit-wise. 52 will be taken out, I think. I was trading hindsight. That's what I did. I was trading hindsight in total secrecy without letting you guys know, because I was afraid of the criticism and you know, people mocking me or why am I taking the trade. But I took a trade. I was back to break even for the day, and now the account is back up there. A little bit of profit. And I took a short without letting you guys know, intentionally keeping it a secret from you guys. I had to focus on the trade. I didn't want to mess up my... But this was scalping. So if I enter on my regular entry model, of course, we're going to call it out officially. But anyway. $5.06, you're out. All right. Tom, I know I like to do that. Spiegel, you are actually right. I'm a liar. I'm a phony. I'm a fake. I trade in hindsight. I don't show my profits, my accounts. I hide everything. So that's it. I'm chilling. I'm chilling. I'm just joking, guys. Now you are a goof. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I wanted to let you guys know, but I was a little bit skeptical myself. But this is just one account, an evaluation account, and I was scalping it yesterday too, and you know, why not? I trained Hivotal. What is that? I'm not blocking anyone. I know. Cycle, I know. I know. Are you? What's up? Oh, NBH. Yeah, FX Center profit. Yeah. I think it's going to take the previous day low. Yeah, Antonio. I think so too. At least, you know, if you look at the 5-minute wick here, consequent encroachment or mid-level, whatever you want to call it, is here. It's not accurate, but it's somewhere around 533. Okay, if I just look at the wick. So 533 is still a good target, a safer target. You know, it might get a rejection, you know, a bounce, but 533 is still a good place to go. I was messing up my mindset with these trades, and Tom, we were all in the short. What can I say? I have confidence issues on YouTube. That's it. I'm still working on confidence issues. I do my recap videos where I show my accounts and how I'm doing, trying to reach those payouts. But you know, I'm absolutely a terrible scalper. I'm a very bad scalper. And anyway, Tom, I don't think we'll ever show anyone my exact strategy. Do you think that wrong? Why would I think that, Komodo? If you don't want to show anyone your strategy, I mean, if you have a good strategy, then, you know, why not? Where are the bulls? Market will take down the liquidity below the wick. Yeah, could be. Could be. I can't stop. I mean, sorry, it can't stop. It won't stop. So I have no orders. Just to let you guys know, I have no orders. I'm waiting. It still feels bearish. If I would re-enter now, I would be just giving back profits. So I just can't do it right now. If we break, we shall see 464. You think so? Look at that 33 level. I think it's getting closer and closer. I don't think I know. Well, look at gold. Wow, didn't go for the for yes. Oh wow, on to 33, I guess. $47. Yeah, the 33 level looks good. Let's go 33. I'm not in a trade. No scalp, nothing here. I'm flat. But 33 is a good target, in my opinion, as a mid-level of that wick. $500 is going to break. All right, let's see. Let's see. 5-minute structure shift. Let's put a fib tool here. Could be going back to somewhere around 569. It might want to grab some liquidity in this area, and then we'll see if it drops or not. Three-year plan. I just re-entered 1 mini. Stop at 553. TP at 505. Let's go. 553. What? Jesus, yeah, I just realized. Big levels for them to hold, yeah. Just pull back. Tom, are you short on? No. I'm not short. I'm gonna show you. Here's my orders tab. Here. Working orders, nothing. And here's my positions tab. Oops, sorry. Here's my positions tab. I have no open positions. Nothing. No positions. No orders, no positions. Positions tab, orders tab. I'm flat. But if you ask me anytime if I have open positions, I will gladly show you anytime. And if I have, you caught me red-handed. You're late, Tim. I got taken out. Oh, yeah. I just saw that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that. Look at this gold, man. What the hell is going on here? Didn't take out that high. Still feels bullish. If price managed to get above 570, you might have a chance. Yeah. Anyway, on the 5-minute, I didn't have my entry. That's for sure. I mean, there was one possibility here, but it was a little bit risky. Still feels bearish though. Chat has been a bull. I don't want. We're not entering. I mean, we're not ending the stream. We're gonna be here all day. Yeah, I want to see what happens too. Who's gonna win this time? Who's going to win the battle between the bears and the bulls? Have it run until New York session. I can have the stream run until New York session. So but I'm not gonna sit here all day, but I can have the stream open. You're gonna let your kids go do 5-9 jumps when there is uncapped money on the markets? Well, Komodo, you know, I'm definitely going to let my kids know about this when I will have kids, and then who knows how the market is going to change by then. I mean, we can see maybe it's going to get regulated. Maybe, you know, if the markets are still going to be here for us to trade, then I will definitely going to teach them, not teach them, but let them know as they grow up, like, hey, you have to look into this, because if you learn this, then you're going to print your own money. But, you know, I think 20 years from now, for example, this whole thing is going to change 180 degrees. Everything is going to change in this. The prop firm industry, retail trading, the markets, accessibility, regulations, everything is going to change. Everything. I think so. If today bulls go to 870, I will it bulls on live streaming for uptime. All right, we have an offer here from FX and Trophy. Rob, hey there. You're back. No trade away yesterday, so had a night off. Oh, yesterday was great. By the way, guys, I didn't do the recap video, but I'm gonna do one today. So I'm gonna show you how some of these funded accounts are doing and what I did yesterday. So this is Apex funded account. It's at $1,357. So yesterday I made a good profit on this one. And this is a Bulenox funded account, which is up 3,228. This is yeah, it needs a little bit more, but it's getting there. And there's another one here. It's up also $3,220. So it also needs just a little bit more. I'm looking for those payouts really. And with TopStep, I didn't trade again yesterday because when I was going with micros, the copy trader couldn't do the trade. So the TopStep account is still standing still. I have to do something about this. It's 150K account, but anyway. And yesterday also managed to pass a new Bulenox account right here. It's at 53,000. So I'm gonna activate this one plus, you know, just to let's have a new one, and that's it. That's mainly what happened yesterday. So we're getting closer, hopefully. I think it will wick the lows and trade higher during news. Yeah, it's my chance with a stop at 523. I can't enter now, unfortunately. I can't enter it. The train left the station without me. I can't do this. This is the mid-level of the 5-minute drop on the fib. So I just can't. I can't enter right now to this one. Here we go. Let's see. I wonder what FX and Trophy is going to do about this. What's up with the bears right now? Actually, if you look at the 5-minute, it's a healthy retracement. So it's still looking bearish. One more drop down there could happen. But if it trades above 600, well, let me see those orders. Is it still there? What do you know? The orders are gone from 600. They may put it back there, but so far it's gone. 570, let's see. Speed now. Let's go. Hey, abs. Let's see if it wants to go. Let's go. I think there's a high possibility on the 1 minute to break 86. I might take a long on this one as a scalp. I might take a long on this one to break the 86. You know what? I took it. Trade what you see, not what you think, you know. The Miyagi. No, that's not the Miyagi thing. I'm using a negative risk to reward on this. I'm gonna close it manually if I don't like what I see. Here's my trade. I'm targeting 83. Maybe a little bit lower. 83.25. Yeah, that would be fine until the top of the candle. I mean, the body of the candle would be nice for me. And I'm putting it to break even right there. My entry is 71.50. Might put it down to 75. So it's a free trade already. Am I gonna get it or not? I raised the ticket with Apex. I think I need to have my payment method details. Yeah, I think so too. I think so. Hold on, I might going to lower my stop here, because I think this one goes to 83 and I'd like to sit this one out. I'm gonna use a tight stop, but I'd like to give room for this one not to wick me out. So yeah, apps, you need to update those details. Yeah, there's a menu there that you have to fill with details, then, and you should do that. It would be great to see this one go to the 80s. Honestly. Let it run. I'm trying to let it run. Check email. Sorry, FX and Trophy. I didn't see that. Check email. Check email. Let me show this. Let me show this to you guys. So it says, Marcus, take profit where I eat bowls. Up there. But this is FX and Trophy's chart. If price action reaches this level today. All right. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I think I'm gonna get taken out from this trade if it starts to go and do the bullish flag formation. Is just gonna spike lower and lower, and I'm gonna get eaten up. Eaten up. Eaten hunt. Eaten up. Dude, it's doing me dirty right now. Oh, you guys don't see it. Yeah. Should I give more room to this one? Yeah, it didn't. This is just scalping. So, yeah. I have to think to close this. Obviously, if I close it, it's gonna go to my TP. If I don't close it, it's gonna take my stop loss and then takes my TP. So I'm gonna lose either way with this trade. Yeah, see? That's what I told you. It's gonna be dirty. Ugh. It's playing dirty. Super dirty. It's coming for me. There you go. I'm not gonna widen my stop. I'm gonna eat this. And actually I'm gonna close this. There you go. What can I say? I tried. Tried to go for it. No emotion. Absolutely abs. Yeah. I think it's gonna fill, I mean, it's going to reprice this area and then goes up. Reprice this small gap maybe. What's happening on the 5-minute? Not too much, right? Anyway, I tried. I might even re-enter. I'm considering it. But if I re-enter, that's gonna mess up everything on my end, in my head. So I'm not sure I'm gonna do that. It feels like right now that maybe the 540s, I don't know. Let me look at bookmap. Orders both sides, no direction, and look at that. I told you it's gonna eat me and then go up. 66. $15 small engulfing, yeah. This is typical. F it. I entered again. I re-entered to this trade. I'm targeting 86.25. I'm using a wider stop. No trading in hindsight, right? Hashtag no hindsight trading. No promises there though, but I re-entered the trade after it took me out. Of course. All right. Target is 86.25. For the stream, you know. Hashtag for the stream. It might start to go up after the first earnings coming good, yeah. No, I'm gonna get taken out here. If it breaks the previous candle high at 76, I'm gonna put it to break even. That's all I can do to reduce some risk. So that's like 68.75, 60. I'm gonna put it to 69 if it breaks that. Oh no, it's not breaking it. That's why I'm not a good scalper. I told this 1,000 times. but never evolves inside. Yeah, could be. Could be. Orders are piling up above 80. And now it's just getting unplugged. Still in the kill zone though. 547. Come on, man. That's way down. I don't like that. I don't like that. Don't tell me we're going there. You tell me I might have to close this trade? Let's keep on to it for a little bit for the stream. All right. Oh no, not looking good. Yeah. Slowing down. Officially slowing down. Here is some lemongrass. It's good for you. So I don't really I lost traction of you guys. So who is long, who is short? I know FX and Trophy is short. Marcus, Spiegel, are you guys long? What is going on? I don't know whose side to take. You know, actually, I'm sitting in this obviously, but the problem, we have another liquidity void here, so it's gonna go down again. Yeah, right now. For lemon juice. Oh man. Would you believe me if I would tell you I'm long for a bit, that I don't feel good? Full of worms. Yeah, yeah. Shorts could still be in play. You know, after this move and then the retracement, I thought that the 86 is really close. I didn't really expected this one too. So, I mean, the first attempt was okay, but the second attempt on this one was obviously a bit of a mistake from my end, because this makes this second try a lower probability. And it obviously has the potential to go down. So the only thing I can do is to kill it if it does something crazy like now. Yeah, I might have to kill this. I'm a terrible scalper. That high was at, yeah, I like that high earlier. That 86, I really like that. I still think it looks good. Want to see above 74 to feel good now. Yeah. Trades by Slade. Hey, good morning. Fast structure, nice. Let's go. Let's go. BTC is going down too. Well, no surprise there, but anyway, relax, Tom. At 11, the bulls and thongs. Okay, so in 19 minutes, the bulls are gonna dance. The bulls are gonna dance for us. Let's go. Get out break even, Tom. You bought about 50 retrace in berry structure above. Yeah, maybe I should get out. But I still like the 86. I'm addicted. I have a gambling addiction. That's the problem. But this is just an evaluation account. I wouldn't do this on my funded account. So at least that thing burned into my head to not do this on funded account. So so this might be maybe I'm gonna tighten my stop. Maybe that's one thing I can do. Reduce the risk, you know, that's what we can do. All you can control is risk. That's what Mark Douglas also says, and some other OG names. There's nothing you can do. You can only control risk. That's all you can do. Nothing more. This direction, right where you entered, typical on Nasdaq, going up. Let's see. If it breaks below my stop, then it's obvious that we can see continuation lower. So that's why I'm not gonna. I mean, I don't really want to hold lower. Small fair value gap here could be sweeping some liquidity. More orders above 80. Let's see what it does. I actually enjoyed this. Even if I lose, you know. Above 600, it's bullish. Yeah, below is bearish. Yeah. I just wanted to see this level being taken out, the 86, 86.25. I really wanted to see that. That is really something I wanted to see. So reacting out of 5 minutes, but yeah, it still need that shift. If you enjoy the game, you can't lose. I like that in Rottable. Yeah. So yeah, it can take me out. I'm not going to be mad about it, obviously, because it's just an evaluation account. And yesterday I passed one as well. So, and I have another one near to pass. And we have still the New York session. So a lot of opportunities. If I lose this one, I should be still around the break even. Not exactly, but somewhere around break even, maybe a bit lower than break even. So it's fine. I just really wanted to see that 86. You know, if I flip the chart here, it looks good for a sell, right? It looks like a sell to 86. Look at that. But first it wants to take me out. So here it looks a little bit heavy. I mean, maybe if I change the gravity, it will pull it down. Oh no, it's not gonna help. Not now. It's taking me out. What a session, right? What a session. Guess I have to come back in New York and continue the scalp, but you know, at least we tried. I tried. You guys tried too. You guys are still gonna do it, I know. And I'm gonna get taken out from this position. Real fast. Gold is also down. I got taken out. Back to square one. Okay. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is Sparta. At least Hansen is having a good time. This is Sparta. You know, I tried to take a few trades here and there. Hey, Josef, what is the problem? No problem there. I'm scalping on an evaluation account. Market is beautiful, actually. So I have no problem there. Bum ba-da-dum bum ba-dum ba-dum bum bum ba-dum ba-da-dum ba-da-dum bum ba-dum bum ba-dum. Let's see. Bum ba-dum. And how about what? No, I didn't. I tried to scalp this to 86. I entered 2 times to go for it. Took me out, but you know, seems like the 506 level could be still in play. I might going to enter too short. How about that for the stream? For entertainment purposes only. The problem is kill zone is getting I mean it's yeah, it's almost over, so I don't know if we have anything. Steady, well done. Yeah, actually the price action is good. And if you look at the higher time frame, I think it can still go lower. Yeah. Even if I take another scalp, I'm gonna have to wait a little bit longer. I want to entertain the bears. Oh, look at that. How about that? Maybe my stop was a little bit tight. Look at that. Uh-oh. What's happening? Are we going for the 86? All right. I entered the long again. Trying to get back at least those profits from earlier. Scalping is not my thing. Uh, 74. Yeah, it should make my profits back from earlier if it hits. Still like the 86 level. Oh yeah, you don't see it. Okay. Here it is. Maybe I should stop abusing this account. Barcode till news. Could be. Could be a small structure shift here, not significant, but this candle is very entertaining. It is, right? It is. Dangerous position. I agree. Negative R, because this is just a scalp position. The main area that I'm looking for is this up here. So trying to look for that, and we'll see. We'll see. It's dangerous. Squeeze all the lemon. I don't know how far this can go, but I feel like 86 is coming. Or should be. There you go. At least I made back those profits earlier. So the account is up 200 and something. If I would have done this with the funded account, which I don't do, I usually would stop for the day, because $200 for a day on a funded account would be more than enough. But since I go crazy on evaluation accounts, it's all right. Look at that. What's happening with the bears right now? Bears getting raped. Let's go, Bulls. This is a huge fight between you guys. Let's see. We have a lot of orders piled up at, well, not too much. I take that back, but around 600 orders are coming back. Let's go. Let's go. On the 5 minute. Yeah, there's still some good areas. Now I think it wants to go higher to the 600. On the 5 minute, it looks very juicy. 600.5 on the micro. On the mini, it's also, I think, 600.5. Looks bullish for me. Could be wrong. Oh yeah, it shows bulls. That line gives me shivers. Let's go. You will have very good profits. All right, you convince me. But I just can't jump in here, although it's very tempting to take 10 points off this. I'm actually tempted to re-enter, but maybe if it breaks lower to 85, I might re-enter, but looks like it wants to take out the 600. If it breaks lower to 85-ish, I might re-enter. Who knows? You know, for the stream. For entertainment purposes, obviously. But it's not going to go down. I think it's going to straight go up and take out 600. So price action is good today. I do like it. Let's watch together what's going to happen. Gold is just going sideways, but this one is looking good. Okay. It's going for it. 600 is in danger. Danger zone at 600. There you go. And here we are. Boom. Let's see what's happening. Tom, you always have to say who you will be entertaining, bulls or bears. Oh yeah, yeah, that's true. And I have to put on the penguin suit as well. Boom, boom. 820s, baby. It could go there. Actually, now I'm starting to favor the 620. Those flat candles up there at the 620s, I do like it. I'm really tempted to jump in, but I just can't go long here. It can pull back anytime, so I can't take it. But this level, I'm calling out 620. 620. Not a personalized guarantee, but 620 should be taken out now. It's looking very, very, very juicy. That level over there, I like it. Like that level. based also on the 5-minute chart. I mean, let's look at it closer. Yeah, there you go. 5-minute chart, 1-minute chart lined up, liquidity above 620. I haven't even looked at bookmap yet. It doesn't show anything. Orders are cleared up pretty much. Some orders down at 600, but it's gonna go to 620, I think. We don't see you with so many bulls. There is no party if it's not a bull party. Nice. Big order looking to fill at 600, yes. I'm actually looking to enter at 600 too. The problem is, well, there's a gap, but 620 is the level right now that I think should be taken. We could have a rejection at the VWAP, the volume weighted average price line. It's much more simple. We could have a reaction or rejection at the volume weighted average price line. I'm like water. All right. Guys. Tom, come on. I can't. This is not my entry, guys, but I wish you all the profits. I already made some profits, but I'm looking. If I see a spike lower, you know what? I might gonna put a limit order to 600.50. How about that? Just for fun. For the stream. But I just don't see this going yet. Spy girl, come on, what should I do? Tell me. I can't enter. I can't. The tension is high. Trust us, you will have a good bull show. More bulls than bears. 603 is strong. Okay, we have a reaction of the volume weighted average price. Just press the mosquito button. I don't know, guys. I'm scared. Too much tension right now. You know what I can do? I can put a limit order at a buy limit at 601. A buy limit. I put a buy limit at 601. Although I'm a little bit scared of this. So buy limit is in. Stop loss, ugh, I don't like that. I don't like that because it can go all the way down to reprice. Okay, I'm gonna delete that. If it's going to reprice 595, I might just enter there. I might. Otherwise, I'm not entering until it's not repricing 595. I'm gonna wait for it. Limit order is gonna be at 595. Let me put it there. 59575. Limit order 59575. Okay, I have a limit order down there in this liquidity void here. That's it. That's what I can go with in that liquidity void. And my stop could be down here, So that would be a tight stop, and I'm willing to risk my profits that I lost like 5 times before to try to lose it again. I still can end up at break even. All right, what you guys are saying here? Target 700 pullback for me. What is my approach? Is bullish. I want to see this area. I told you guys this is what I would like to see. This. Look at that. We're gonna go to my entry 59575. It's gonna go there. It has to reprice the void because there's no volume. We're in London. Just say it. I'm bullish. I'm bullish. Daily target 2 shorts. Nice one. Good job, Ashefs. Good job. Good job. Good job. Let's see. Here's my limit order. It's gonna get filled. 1000% that is gonna get filled. Out of the question. It should be wicking down there, and then I am going to put this is. Come on, come on! What are you doing, Nasdaq? Fill me in. And then it can go up to the next liquidity void up there. And then higher and higher up to 620. So far the plan is working out. The plan is working out so far. Let's see. God, I hate scalping. I'm not a good scalper. I'm such a bad scalper. I don't know. FX and Trophy just sent an email. Let me check it. My phone was alerting me. What is happening? Oh, now FX Entropy is just teasing us. So here it is, guys. FX Entropy is just, look at this guy. Look at this guy. Close profit 6,000. Get out of here. Okay, FX Entropy, you proved it. You proved your point. I think we will deeper pullback. I wanted to see this go for that liquidity void before taking the higher liquidity void. So first I want to see this one getting filled. Can I zoom this out a little bit more? I can. Okay, let me show you here. I want to see this one taken first and then go higher, then go to the 6 whatever 20s, but I think I'm gonna exit before that. I'm gonna exit maybe even here. Okay, I got filled in the trade. Super dangerous. Don't do this at home. My TP is gonna be, you know what, actually F it. I'm just gonna go for the next liquidity void. I don't care. I don't care. This is just gonna be a few points. 9 points if I can make it. 9 points if I can make it. I think I won't. I won't. I'm gonna give back the profits again for the 6th time now this morning. How with this choppy price action? Well, FX Entropy has a secret. I don't know. I don't know what that is, but he's doing it. The secret sauce. I eat Côte de Bœuf with sauce. Anyway. It If I lose this, I'm gonna blame Marcos and Spy Girl. I trade with conviction on your plan. That's it. I was short hourly is the main roadmap. Oh, okay. Well, hourly should be. That's a good roadmap, actually. Let me check the 5-minute. This thing is gonna take me out again. I hate that. It is a structure shift. I was really hoping that it will bounce back up there real quick. It is what it is, you know. This morning, I make profit, I give it back. I make profit, I give it back, and yeah, it's gonna come down to below 87. Reprice this gap too. If I put a fib tool here, it can be a good entry, by the way, at 81 for a regular entry. I do like it. For example, at 81.75, risk to reward is good. Why not? You know, with 3 micros, I can even go for that. I would be only risking like $100 per each account. Okay, you're long 598 on fast track trading. Nice, let's go, Yannick. Let's go. Let's go. Well, I was hoping for that liquidity void. Now I'm going to show you which, I mean, this one up there to get filled. It's actually not a trading plan. It's not a strategy. I was just looking at that level and that's it. Wasn't really sure if it's going to take it or not. It still has to reprice that level completely. So it's like 6 more points. Let's see if it gets it or not. Let's see if this is gonna get it or not. Let's wait and see. I don't like this. I don't like this. Definitely don't like this. Man, I wanted to see this go up quickly, reprice that area, and then do whatever it wants. The problem is we're outside of the kill zone, and volume could be drying up. The volume weighted average price line is still above. I might have to close it. Oh, come on, price. Come on, market. Let's get over with this. Finally. Let it be, Tom. Be like water. Right? Let's be like water. Yeah, let it be. It will go much higher. Yeah, it could be. Oh, now look at that. Is it gonna reprice completely that level or what? There you go. There you go. All right, Tom, you were good. Good. Yeah, I'm gonna hug myself. Oh, that feels good. Thank you, Tom. Yeah, I know. Good job there. Good job. Thank you. I'm gonna find the mirror and kiss myself. Okay. How is the account? Almost up to 52k. Nice. All right. Yeah, almost up to 52k. You know, 1 point higher, I would be even higher. Okay, that's a good one. Good profit. Although I gave it back multiple times, so this was a hard pull. But getting closer. Check email. Checking email. Checking email. Oh. In the world of trades where numbers whirl, lived a savvy trader known as Spy Girl. Okay, she ventured to an island seeking fun under the golden tropical sun. With sand in her toes and waves in her hair, she found freedom without a care. From dawn till dusk, she'd laugh and play. In the island's embrace, she'd sway. Oh, that's a nice one. Under the stars and moon's soft light, Spy Girl danced through the night. In this paradise, she found her way to balance work and endless play. With island dreams and the ocean's grace, she returned to her trading place. Spy Girl refreshed her spirit bright, ready to conquer the market's flight. Jesus, that is like really something. Now let me see what you just sent me here. Oh ho ho, what is this? This is just from Spy. So this is the way she trades. There you go. That's the way to go, Spy Girl. Nice one. Nice one. Checking email. Let me put this here. Oh, I'm gonna put this here. Here. All right. Checking email. Oh, look at that. Marcus is, let me show you guys. Guys, Marcus is really pushing it. Look at this. 4 micros sitting in it, looking for the 820. Very nice. Let's go, Marcus. Entry is at 554. Sorry, you guys can't see on my screen. Tight stop. There you go. Let's go, Marcus. Let's go. Let's go. This is a good one. Thank you, Spy Girl. I like that. I like that poem. I like that. That is awesome. That is beautiful. I smell a little bit of AI, but I hope I'm wrong. I really hope I'm wrong because it's actually a nice poem. But no. Oops, my phone just dropped. I like that. I like that. Actually, I like that very much. Oh, there was a, because I turned down the volume. Sorry. Was this AI? I like the song. I like the song very much. It's a good song. It is a good song. It's gonna happen this year. The video is you. Is that you on the video? That's you right there. How can I zoom in? I can't zoom. All three. I can't zoom in more. So that's Spy Girl right there. I mean, this is the trader's life, you know. That is awesome. Super great. That's super great. Marcus sent me another email. Let me check it. No. No, Marcus. You're just bullying me right now. Is this your job? Are you kidding me, Marcus? I have to show this, guys. This is the email from Marcus. I don't know what you see. Guys, you're just joking me right now. This is not your workplace. You can't be here. You can't be at CERN. Because if you're here, you know the future. He showed this because he has a time machine. That's how he knows the markets. I think that's the joke on this one. He has this thing. He travels in time, and you know he comes back. What the hell, man? This is wow. This is wow. It makes sense, right? I mean, that's the only logical. That's the only logical explanation. He has a time machine there, and he travels back. He said he really, dude. I'm traveling to Switzerland. I'm calling the girlfriend. Pack up the stuff, and we're going to Switzerland to CERN. Guys, I want to see this thing. I want to see this. Did you see any UFOs or... You passed me a video? I didn't get that video. I didn't get it. Marcus, if I would had that video, you would know it by now. Maybe I overlooked it or something. I don't know. Dude, this is awesome. This is like, wow. Oh, you sent it now, maybe? The video? Let me look at it. Oh, okay. Download. Watch. No way, man. No way. So you basically have a Stargate. You have a time machine. You can travel multi-dimensions. Come on, man. No way, dude. Dude. This is like what the... Okay, so basically you guys built a time machine and you know, a black hole machine or whatever. So you can travel... yeah, it looks like the Stargate. I think that's why this guy knows the future. Yeah. That is so cool, man. Marcus, I'm telling you, I'm gonna be traveling tonight to Switzerland. I'm going there. And please, I want to travel back to the 70s, US, and I don't need a ticket back, so you can leave me there. All right, there. That's all. Just take me back there, leave me there, destroy the gate, whatever. I'm going. Now we know his secret. Yeah. Dude, this is awesome. This is awesome. I don't care about I don't want to go into the future. I want to go back to the past, but not too far. Actually, I don't want to be in the future. I don't. Oh, NQ chart? Definitely, yeah. I mean, take some photos of NQ chart. Yeah, and take it back. As a souvenir. Thank you. Thank you, Marcus. Well, it's really something, dude. Are you some kind of a rocket scientist, Marcus? Are you some Einstein or some genius kid? You have an IQ of 200. What the hell? Guys, I think Marcus is some kind of a rocket scientist. Hey Tom, I started a 150k test account with take profit. Nice. Oh wow, that's awesome. 4,485. Then I just made. Wow. What do I? Well, I would just sit on it for a little bit. Just, you know, scale it down a little bit. Pips Hunter, that's amazing. Scale it down a little bit and trade a little bit smaller. Dude, that is what I mean. What's the profit target? I think yeah, it's 9. So just a little bit. Just go small, very small. It's fine. Or you can leave that for today and just, you know, continue tomorrow. Take profit trader. I'm mixing up the consistency rule there. Take profit trader consistency rule. 50%. 50%. 5 days. So I would say 50% for 5 days, 50-50. So go with small trades and you will be fine. %. Right? Marcus is a rocket scientist. Otherwise, why would he be there? He's a rocket scientist. That's all we know. Yeah, pros not on evals. So not on eval. On trading days. What's about that? I guess it's about limiting profits that are calculated on day. Daily loss limit must be respected except on Pro Plus account. No scaling plan required during evaluation. One step. Evaluation trader with ninja offers. Interesting. So only on Pro accounts. But he made it in 2 days. Yeah. So far, this is very close, yeah. There's a 5 minimum trading days, it seems like. Oh, I just wanted to go for a scalp here on the 1 minute. And anyway. So just a little bit more, small size, and that's it. Should be okay. Let me look into that because, oh Jesus, I'm streaming for more than 3 hours again. I didn't want it to stream this much, but at least we had some fun, right? I enjoyed this scalping session. This was a good scalping session. It's been a fun stream, yeah. We had some fun. All right. Guys, I'm gonna call it here. I'm coming back to the New York session, all right? Kill zone is over. We had a good fun. Good scalps. I think we're still bullish. We're gonna go to 620, but I have no position. I won't enter anything here. Marcus is a rocket scientist, guys. It's confirmed. Gamecraft trades. Hey, without you, why are you saying that? Gamecraft trades, welcome. Where have you been? Where have you been? Why you say without you? Come on, just join the stream. Not good as Tom. Greg, good morning. Marcus is Marty from the Back to the Future, right? Yeah. Back to the Futures. Guys, it's official. Marcus is a rocket scientist. Guys, that is awesome. That is great. I'm actually very open a WhatsApp group. Yeah. Oh. Gold took out the high finally. What I like in gold is this level down here. I'm liking it down there for possible shorts if it starts to dump. Tom is a pro. I have lots of learning to do. We'll find out some way, all right, ladies and gents. We'll find a way. Anyway, thank you everybody for joining. I'm gonna I'm gonna go and come back for the New York session. And thank you so much for being here. This was really fun. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it very much. And what else can I say? New York session, we have some news. So get prepared. Hopefully it's gonna be great. Thanks everybody for the support. And if you would like to support the channel, use my codes and links. Tomsabo is working everywhere. And again, thanks for being here. Back to New York session later. All right. See you guys. Cheers, everybody.